Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Mainnetz token. Ticker symbol is Netz. Both of those are spelled with a Z at the end instead of an S, just like in the thumbnail and title of this video. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. It was just announced recently. We're going to go over the information on the Mainnetz token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Mainnetz represents an innovative force in the blockchain industry, focusing on fostering a robust ecosystem for decentralized application development through its state-of-the-art platform, with an economic model centered around its native token Netz. Mainnetz ensures a sustainable and incentivized environment for validators and developers. The platform's technical prowess is highlighted by its impressive transaction per second capability and a swift block interval, facilitated by a delegated proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. Strategically, Mainnetz is setting the stage for significant advancements in blockchain interoperability with its cross-chain integration efforts. This positions the platform as a unifier in a fragmented blockchain landscape, enabling seamless operation across various blockchain systems. Mainnetz's commitment extends beyond technology, with a strong emphasis on community engagement and safety. The platform encourages interactive and up-to-date engagement through various social media channels and emphasizes user safety with clear risk warnings against scams, especially in its test environment. Mainnetz invites its community to actively participate and contribute to the blockchain's evolution through transparent communication and responsible engagement. So Mainnetz's social media presence spans multiple platforms, including a centralized Linktree, Instagram for visual storytelling, Medium for in-depth articles, Twitter for real-time updates, GitHub for collaborative development, and Telegram for community discussions. Additionally, Mainnetz maintains an email channel for formal communications. In essence, Mainnetz's suite of strategic initiatives, from financial support and ecosystem growth to community engagement and cross-chain solutions, aligns with its vision of being at the forefront of blockchain innovation and user-centric development. So this token here is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a central exchange called Lbank. It was just announced on Lbank's Twitter, which you can find at Lbank_exchange. It says the Netz token from Mainnetz will be listed soon on Lbank. So they don't have an exact listing date yet, but if you follow the Twitter that I just mentioned at Lbank Exchange, or you follow Mainnetz Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen there, at Mainnetz, you'll be able to see exactly when the listing date is for Lbank. Now, they've had seed rounds here where they just announced that, and they put that in their pinned tweet. You can see some info about seed rounds, and then their most recent tweet here is talking about their new Lbank listing coming soon. So this is a brand new project, basically. Now, you can check out their webpage at mainnetz.io, and they have sections for enterprise, for developers, light paper. There's a section here that says Get Netz, and that will take you over to buy.mainnetz.io. In the corner of the screen, they have tons of socials like a TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Medium, Linktree, Telegram, GitHub, etc. All sorts of links there that you could check out. Now, I just tried clicking on buy.mainnetz.io and nothing happened, so maybe this is over, but let me try a different browser here. Let's see if you can actually get it prior to... Yeah, so they're still in, looks like seed round 3, which is 8 days left. So if you want to get it off their webpage, you can. Just go to buy.mainnetz.io, and it says you can buy it with Ethereum, USDT, or card. Connect your wallet, basically your Trust wallet, your MetaMask wallet, your decentralized wallet, and you can click on which crypto you want to buy it with, and you punch in how much, say, Ethereum or USDT you want to use, and then it'll tell you how much Netz tokens you will get in return for that price. So they compare it here to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB. So technically it seems like this is a coin unless it's cross-chain here. If it's running on its own blockchain, it technically obviously is a coin, Mainnetz blockchain. And then they show you how to claim. If you go down to the frequently asked questions, they go as, what is the token? It looks like it's the native utility token of the Mainnetz blockchain. So technically it is a coin running on its own blockchain. Then it says here, how do I claim the token? So you can go through that if you did get involved with the initial rounds here. But basically, let's just go over a little bit more info here. So Mainnetz emerges as a groundbreaking blockchain platform specifically tailored to meet developers' needs with cutting-edge features. Its core strength lies in its full compatibility with the Ethereum virtual machine, a critical aspect that positions Mainnetz as a central hub for development, innovation, and the agility in the blockchain arena. So some of these blockchain tokens, they originally come out on BNB or Ethereum, or they're cross-chain, but this one looks like it's specifically going to be on its own blockchain. They haven't mentioned any other chains here. So the key features, basically it's going to be EVM compatible, advanced facilities and services. There's going to be promotional tools, amplified traffic avenues, comprehensive resources, and streamlined workflow. Now, their light paper is available. It is about 17 pages long, and it's not going to be a crazy long read or anything. Maybe it'd take you about an hour or so to read this whole paper. But some of these blockchain white papers could be anywhere up to 100 pages long. So right now they just have a light paper. They're just basically starting out, but you can get involved with the pre-sale right on their page, or you could wait for that Lbank listing that I was talking about. But go have a look. Let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about Mainnetz? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Check out the referral codes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.